Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to center your text in your Google Sheet document. As you can see here, guys, I have text, I have numbers and so forth. And I want to focus on the column here with amount. And as you can see, everything is towards the right hand side. Now, it would be either better to have it on the left hand side or the center. So if you want to change or you have your text layout here, it's very easy. So what you want to do, you can simply go ahead and select the entire column. And once you do that, on the upper right hand side or towards upper right hand side, you will see that you have a section that says the alignment. So you can easily change the alignment here. So over it where it says horizontal alignment, click the drop down and you can put that into center. And that's how you'd center it. So if you want to go ahead and change your alignment of your text in your Google Sheets document for columns, you can easily go ahead and change the alignment by highlighting the entire column, and you'll be able to do this. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. If you want to do it for a row, you can do the same by simply choosing how you want it. And you can go ahead and make the changes. As you can see, that's centered for this particular row, and you can do it like that as well. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.